may still be rolling out new Air Max DN colorways through its official channels, but the brand's momentum has clearly shifted toward the next-generation silhouette, the Air Max DN8. While the Dynamic Air campaign left a strong impression earlier in 2024, echoes of its energy continue to ripple through Nike's catalog, particularly in familiar yet forward-thinking colorways. A prime example is the upcoming Nike Air Max 95, which subtly channels the all-night motif seen in the DN line. Departing from the loud, neon-forward palettes of past iterations, this version opts for a brooding black base. The signature wavy panels subtly transition to light gray at the top, giving the shoe quiet depth. Accents in neon purple, appearing on the tongue's Air Max branding, the heel swoosh, and the visible air units, infuse the design with a hint of futuristic vibrance, linking old-school tech to Nike's new era. Expect this pair to retail for $190 soon on Nike.com.